Students, today we will introduction and writing of number 31 to 40. Let's learn. Students, see in this chart, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 beads. How many beads? 10. बच्चों, इस चार्ट पे हमें यहाँ कितनी मोती दिख रही है? 10 मोती दिख रही है. Here is 10 beads. When we tie 10 beads in this chain, जब हम इन 10 मोतियों को एक साथ इस धागे में बांध देंगे, तब हम उसे कहते हैं 1/10. क्या कहते हैं? 1/10. और जब हमने 10 बीड्स को इसमें टाई कर दिया तो यहाँ अकेला कोई भी मोती नहीं है, तो यूनिट क्या है हमारा? 0. 10 कैसे बनता है? 10 वस्तुओं को एक साथ बांधने पर क्या बन जाता है? 1/10. Student, see in this chart, here is 1/10 plus 1/10 plus 1/10. How many beads? 30. 3 tens equal to 30. Today we will learn numbers 31 to 40. 3 tens, 1 unit. 3 tens, 1 unit, 31. 3 tens, 1 unit, 31. 3 tens, 2 unit. 3 tens, 2 unit. 3 tens, 2 unit, 32. 3 tens, 2 units, 32. 3 tens, 3 units. 3 tens, 3 units. 3 tens, 3 units, 33. 33. 3 tens, 4 units. 3 tens, 4 units. 3 tens, 4 units, 34. 34. 3 tens, 5 units. 3 tens, 5 units. 3 tens, 5 units, 35. 35. 3 tens, 6 units. 3 tens, 6 units. 3 tens, 6 units, 36. 36. 3 tens, 7 units. 3 tens, 7 units. 3 tens, 7 units, 37. 37. 3 tens, 8 units. 3 tens, 8 units. 3 tens, 8 units, 38. 38. 3 tens, 9 units. 3 tens, 9 units. 3 tens, 9 units. 39, 39, 39. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4 bundle of sticks. 4 tens, 0 unit. 4 tens, 0 unit. 4 tens, 40. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Students, we will repeat 31 to 40 numbers. Listen carefully and repeat after me. 3 tens, 1 unit. 31, 31. 3 tens, 2 units. 3 tens, 2 units. 32, 32. 3 tens, 3 units. 3 tens, 3 units. 33, 33. 3 tens, 4 units. 34, 34. 3 tens, 5 units. 3 tens, 5 units. 35, 35. 3 tens, 6 units. 3 tens, 6 units. 36, 36. 3 tens, 7 units. 3 tens, 7 units. 37, 37. 3 tens, 8 units. 3 tens, 8 units. 38, 38. 3 tens, 9 units. 3 tens, 9 units. 39, 39. 4 tens, 4 tens, 0 unit. 4 tens, 40, 40. Read and write numbers. 31, THIRTYONE1, 31. 32, THIRTY 30, TWO2, 32. 33, THIRTY 30, THREE3, 33. 34, THIRTY 30, FOUR4, 34. 35, THIRTY 30, FIVE5, 35. 36, THIRTY 30, SIX6, 36. 37, THIRTY SEVEN, 37. 38, THIRTY 30, EIGHT8, 38. 39, THIRTY 30, NINE9, 39. 40, FORTY, 40.